All right. Hello, everyone. The Black Biomechanics Association would like to welcome you, welcome you to our What is Biomechanics series. Today we have our first guest. Prior to conducting this interview, I would like the guest to actually provide a brief introduction. So go ahead, guest.
Hi, my name is Jordyn Schroeder. I'm a fourth-year PhD student at Georgia Tech, and I work with Gregory Sawicki in the Physiology of Wearable Robotics lab. My work is on the long-term neuromechanical and behavioral impacts of exoskeleton use. And I'm from Silver Spring, Maryland, and I also did my undergrad in Maryland at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Awesome. Thank you, Jordyn, for being here. Are you ready to get this interview started?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. So in your own words, what is biomechanics?
Yeah, so biomechanics is the study of movement of biological organisms. A lot of time, this involves the study of how the structure and function of the human musculoskeletal system works, but biomechanics is a broad umbrella term, and it can encompass the study of mechanics of any organism from the cellular level all the way through the whole body level.
I like that. I love that definition. So the next question will be, how do you think biomechanics actually applies to everyday life?
Yeah, biomechanics is woven into so many aspects of daily life. It's in how we move around, how we do everyday tasks, how we sit, how we stand. It's in how our muscles and our tendons work to propel us when we walk. It can encompass healthy movement or injury biomechanics. It's in daily activities or in sports. Pretty much if there's living things that are moving, it probably involves biomechanics.
That perspective as well. So let's say someone was interested in pursuing a career in biomechanics. What would you tell them?
Yeah, biomechanics is a pretty interdisciplinary field. So I have a mechanical engineering background. I work with people that have biology backgrounds, kinesiology, bioengineering. So I would suggest if anyone's interested in the field, figure out what exactly you're interested in, or generally what lane you want to carve out for yourself. If you're early on in education, I'd suggest taking your fundamental classes, your physics, your math, your biology. If you're a little later in your education, I would suggest exploring more advanced courses like mechanics or dynamics or anatomy and physiology. And if you have the opportunity, I highly, highly suggest getting involved in research. This can be small volunteer all the way through like independent research projects. And this helped me figure out what specifically I was interested in, what drives me and motivates me, and help me carve out a lane within the field.
Love it. Love it. Last question. What does being a Black biomechanist mean to you?
Being a Black biomechanist means I can bring myself and my life experiences to the table when I'm studying the human body. It means I can answer scientific questions that interest me, and I can add knowledge to the field that's based in my perspective. And I think it's really important that as a field, we work to become more inclusive for all people, because we're generating knowledge about all humans.
You're inspiring. I love it, Jordyn. But Jordyn, on behalf of the Black Biomechanics Association, we would like to thank you for not only being a part of the series, but also acting as our first guest. We greatly appreciate it. For those that are watching this, if you would like to get additional information on about Jordyn, or if you would like to follow her scholarly process, please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Also check out the links for the various social media links that are associated with the Black Biomechanics Association. And in closing, despite any setbacks, keep pushing forward. I am your host for today, Christopher Wilburn. Thank you, and I will see you soon.